Following comments from CONCACAF's Director of Caribbean Football, Horace Reed, that the new format for World Cup qualifying helps Caribbean teams, Jamaican football stakeholders also feel the new cycle is beneficial for qualification to the 2022 World Cup. Simon Preston has that story.
The Reggae Boys are currently 48th in the FIFA World Rankings, which places them 4th in the CONCACAF region. If they can remain within the top 6 in CONCACAF for another 3 months, then they will automatically be placed in the hexagonal round of World Cup qualifying to fight for one of 3 automatic tickets to the 2022 World Cup in Qatar. Reggae boy Damien Lowe feels the new format benefits Jamaica.
Well, I think this is a big opportunity, especially with how the CONCACAF Nations League went. We're in a very good spot right now. It's a really good opportunity. It gives us a little bit more leverage in order to build our team and scout players and find that bond with everybody instead of just focusing on just playing to get into the hexagonal round or into the World Cup qualifying. We have some time on our hands, so that's really good.
Last year, Jamaica were playing in League B of the CONCACAF Nations League, which to many was an embarrassment. But according to Lowe, the second tier helped Jamaica to get the rating points to move up in the rankings.
So it's good. I think everything has worked out into our favor. I know sometimes people were disappointed that we qualified for League B, but I felt like League B enabled us to win games, go up in the rankings, and now we're in a perfect spot to get automatically qualified to the hexagonal round.
1998 World Cup representative and former Reggae boy Paul Hall says the quality is there to qualify, but his concern is the time together as a unit.
Yes, of course, we've got some, the talent pool is huge, but I just think it's getting that togetherness, that camaraderie, that kind of thing together, and whatever players are picked to do it, then they've got to all be together and move as a team, not as individuals. And I think that we would have no problem in qualifying.
But another former national player in Omar Daly says the JFF must also be clear with the players throughout the course of the qualifiers.
It doesn't make no sense. We pick 2 this week, drop him next week. We have to find a 35 roster that we put in a system, lay it out to them. Look, this is a system that we're going to go through. You will be paid this, that, everything's straightforward. So nobody is thinking, are we going to get paid this time? What am I going to be dropped? So they know I can work towards this. Because if I know I'm going to be in the national team, I'm going to get myself up, I'm going to go run, I'm going to go get myself in the gym, I'm going to get myself to a high level, watch what I eat.
Football analyst O'Neill 1878 Meredith feels more players should be added to the player pool ahead of the qualifiers, which will kick off on August 31.
I think defensively also we need to make some addition there, because I think the coach has always complained that he doesn't have enough, because competition for places is one of the most important things that enables players to excel, and it also create that kind of level that you want within the team, players to earn their worth and earn their keep, and it only can make them better.
The team, which finishes 4th in the hexagonal round, will play the winner of the lower tier in CONCACAF, with that winner moving to the Intercontinental Playoffs for a spot at the 2022 World Cup. Simon Preston reporting for TVJ Sports.